Last episode, we put a chain of steps in one object, but every column went through the same chain. Telco isn't like that. You scale a number, you one-hot a category. Today, we wrote each type down its own branch. Picture a mail sorter. Numeric columns drop into the left chute, categorical columns into the right. Different handling, same machine. The left branch imputes the missing total charges with the train median, then standardizes. The right branch fills missing categories, then one-hot encodes them. ColumnTransformer runs both branches and glues their outputs side by side into one wide matrix. One fit learns every branch's numbers from train, and because it's one fitted object, the test set just rides through transform. Train medians, train means, train categories, no leakage anywhere. Let's wire a real two-branch transformer on telco, a few numeric columns and a few categorical ones. Load telco, covers total charges to numeric, drop customer ID and split first, stratified on churn, random state 42. We name two column lists, the numeric ones and the categorical ones. That's how the sorter knows which chute each column takes. The numeric branch is a pipeline, median impute, then standard scaler. The categorical branch, most frequent impute, then one hot encoder that ignores unknown categories. ColumnTransformer ties the two branches to their column lists. We fit it on train. Both branches learn their numbers from train only. Transform train and test through the fitted sorter and print the shapes. The column count jumps because one hot expanded the categories, and the test went through with zero refitting. Two branches, one object, model ready matrix. But we don't want to refit this every session. Next, save the whole fitted thing with joblib and reload it to transform brand new rows. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.